Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to Amazon Prime Big Deals Day, Day 2. Now, compared to yesterday, we do have a change as far as the different deals that are available. We've got a couple things that have since expired. However, compared to yesterday, and I've been posting a lot of this stuff as far as updates on social media, we've got a number of new radar detector deals that you guys can take advantage of, as well as some different dash cams. And so in this video, let's go ahead and hop on over to the computer and take a look at all the different ways you guys can save some cash. Alrighty, so just like yesterday, you're going to find all the deals compiled on a dedicated page over on my website. I'm going to link to this page here down underneath the like button for you guys. And if we go ahead and start scrolling through the list here and looking at the deals, first off, let's start with the Escort ones. We've got some new detectors that are now available. The price first of the Max 360C Mark II has changed a couple times even this morning. The deal was actually gone earlier this morning. Then it went on sale for $100 off. And now at the time I'm shooting this video, like literally right before I sat down to shoot this, it dropped another $50 off. So now it's $150 off, essentially, $547. Available online. So the deal that we had yesterday is actually now back again today, which wasn't the case earlier this morning. If you guys notice any other changes like this, definitely let me know. And I'm going to keep up as far as keeping this page updated as things continue to change throughout the day. Now, as far as the Max 360, that one is still available now. So if you're wanting kind of the most affordable detector with arrows, this is going to be the way to go. The Cobra version is also available now too, but I actually prefer the Escort version. I think the arrows are a little bit better here than on the Cobra equivalent, which is kind of the same detector just about under the hood. Next, there's the Escort Max Cam 360C. This is basically the Max 360C Mark II, newer platform, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. But it has a dash cam built in as well. So one detector, one mount, so radar and dash cam protection. So if you're looking for that, $100 off on the Max Cam. The Max 3 is now available too. So if you're like, hey, I want a more affordable detector option, I don't need the arrows, for example, Bluetooth, auto lockouts, that kind of stuff, the Max 3 is available here for $326. That said, I still think the R4 is a better detector. It costs a little bit less here on sale, but better performance. I'd still go for the R4 even over the Max 3. So if you're looking for the kind of best affordable detector, R4 is still the way to go. Now, as far as accessories, these are the same. Like the blend mount, we still got that same discount code. Dash cam, a lot of the stuff is the same, but we've got a couple new ones to talk about. So as far as the VFOs, you've got the WM1 if you want like the most affordable dash cam option. The A119 Mini 2, it's now kind of like discounted without a coupon, so it's a little different as far as how Amazon is presenting it, but the price itself is actually still the same as it was yesterday. This I like for like a dash cam, just for the front, under $100. And then let's see, a lot of the stuff is still going to be the same as yesterday. VFO T130 if you want like an interior facing dash cam. The 3-channel option with the rear dash cam I think is actually the best deal right now. It's only a couple bucks more, $149 as opposed to $127. So what is that, like extra $22 or so for the rear cam? A good option. Now, one of my favorite options, the A139 Pro. This 2-channel version, the deal was gone earlier this morning, but then it's come back as well. So again, just take a look. I know some people mentioned in the comments yesterday the deal was gone. So this one was a lightning deal yesterday. Looks like it's back now. This one does kind of come and go, but if you can snag it on sale, I really like the 2-channel version, front and rear. Solid option there. You can also get it as a single channel or as a full 3-channel option if you like. All the Vantru stuff, this looks like we got the same deals as before. So this is like a good kind of inexpensive 2-channel option, the E2, so front and rear protection, $2K for both the front and the rear dash cams, which is pretty nice. I talked about a lot of these ones yesterday, so if you guys have seen it, rental car dash cam here, Starvis 2 dash cam there, kind of integrated front and interior into one body. Cool option there if you're looking for the Starvis 2. The N4 Pro seems to be a pretty good option. Next, as far as some of the new stuff to talk about, Blackview, their 4K version with LTE, the DR7 or 970X 2-channel LTE, actually you can pop a SIM card into it to get the cloud stuff built in. This one is really on sale. It's like 50% off, so this is a really good deal. That said, I'm actually starting to wonder this one might be discontinued. I've seen some places like Black Box My Car, they sold out yesterday and they've stopped carrying it. So the prices that you're going to see when you pull up this link here, it's going to take you to several different locations. Take a look at all of them. I've noticed some places are going to be cheaper than others and the inventory might be kind of going away. So I don't know if it's being discontinued or what the story is, but for 4K video, cloud connectivity, 1080p for the rear, The video quality is a little bit less than what you're going to see for like the Vantrues and the VFOs, for example. But if you want the cloud stuff, this is going to be the easiest way to get the cloud built in, just because you put a SIM card directly in the dash cam. So that one's available too for those of you guys who like the black views and the cloud stuff. Now, as far as thinkware, we've got some stuff here to talk about that we didn't go over yesterday. As far as their affordable options, there's the F200 Pro. It's 25% off. 1080p front and rear, so not crazy high video quality or anything, or resolution rather. But the appeal here with the ThinkWares is specifically long-term parking recording. With their energy-saving parking recording, if you've got like a dedicated dash cam battery or something, most of these dash cams will last for like a day. These ones are going to last for closer to a week. So if you need really long-term parking recording, this is going to be the way to go here. This is going to be kind of your like more entry-level, affordable option here, $150, 25% off. If you want something higher end, there's like the ThinkWare U3000 2-channel, so 4K for the front, 2K for the rear. It's got some more advanced features like GPS built in, Bluetooth, cloud connectivity, etc. It's got radar as well built in, front and rear, though we've been finding and testing currently the rear radar isn't working. It's just the front one. Looks like they're still trying to address that, hopefully in a future firmware update. But basically kind of gives you buffered parking recording while also giving you the low power energy saving stuff. So that way it's not like asleep the whole time. It can wake up before the impact using the radar stuff. So that's a pretty cool feature here as well if you go for the U3000. And then as far as Escort, the price on this one did drop a couple dollars here. It's like $8 cheaper than it was yesterday. So if you want the dash cam that kind of connects to the side of your Escort radar detector or your Uniden detector, if you've got it hooked up on the blend mount, this is going to be a way to kind of get an add-on dash cam right alongside your radar detector. And then let's see, the Cobras, we talked about that yesterday with the cloud connectivity for like cloud sourced alerts and whatnot right on the face of the dash cam. So kind of a cool extra thing. I don't go over it that often, but it's a cool feature. Dash cams, the memory cards are the same. Battery packs to power the dash cams while you're parked. Same deals as yesterday. And same thing with the laser jammers here as well. So you got the TPX for kind of your simple, more affordable option. And then the TMG, these are on sale too if you want like maybe a more fully featured one, front and rear protection, all that kind of stuff. You got a little bit more feature set here on the TMGs. And then as far as kind of like some of my favorite deals, I've been adding some additional things like not only the Apple Watches, but also like the Samsung Watches too, AirPods, all sorts of stuff here. The Aero Garden, I really like that just because like I'll grow chives or something right in the kitchen, and so I do scrambled eggs in the morning, and I'll just cut up some fresh chives and put it on the on my eggs or something. So just all sorts of cool random stuff that's very useful that's not necessarily like countermeasure related. So anyways, link to all this kind of stuff down for you guys in the video description. Let me know also kind of what you guys wind up picking up. I've been getting all sorts of stuff, you know, for the kids, which I'm not a parenting channel. I'm not going to like go into a ton of detail of all that kind of stuff, but you know, just stuff around the house, stuff for home, all that kind of stuff. So obviously a lot of good stuff. Let me know what you guys wind up getting, and especially countermeasures too. It's always kind of fun to see what new toys you guys are picking up as well. And so with that said, happy shopping. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I'll see you in the next one.